afternoon sa mga DDS, Vancouver, tsaka lahat ng DDS sa buong mundo.
Sa buong mundo.
Sa buong mundo. Worldwide.
Hello. Nandito na naman
Hello,
kami.
yes.
So, nandito kami ngayon. Ay,
Siya
okay.
ang nagpunta.
Welcome back! Welcome back, Beyonce.
Galing
Yeah.
Netherlands. Tell
So,
us.
how's the
Pasalubong,
hay?
maraming mga pasalubong,
Tell
right?
us.
Yeah.
Ito pasalubong.
Yeah, so I left on November 20th, tapos kahapon lang ako nakarating. So meron pa akong jet lag kasi Netherlands is 9 hours ahead of us. So ngayon mga mga madaling araw na, so medyo nag-jet lag na ako, but laban lang. Diba?
Mamaya
So,
ka babawi. After
mamaya,
this.
babawi ako mamaya. Anyways, nanonood ako sa live ni Trixie. Nandun kasi si Attorney Trixie sa Duterte Street. It so
Wow.
happened na yung hotel ko, kasi they recommended by Alvin yung hotel, nandun malapit lang pala doon ang Duterte Street. So, si Attorney Trixie, si Paulo, and who else? Si Alvin, of course, and Jazz was there. So, yeah, the chika-chika,
Chikahan na.
chikahan. So it was really nice to meet them kasi they are very friendly, very warm,
Thank you for
very warm
sharing that.
people. Yeah, they're very accommodating. I'm so happy to
good to
have met
know.
them.
So what happened during the event na? Yung event na
Oh
siya?
yeah. So the event was the following day. The
Yeah.
event was on the 22nd and 23rd. Dumating ako doon 21st. Yeah, so the following day was the actual event. So the actual event 22nd, doon na ginanap siya sa sa Laan Van Regan na park. So hindi siya doon malapit. Iba doon siya sa station, train station.
Oh, so it's
malapit.
not doon na doon sa Duterte
Hindi.
Street.
Hindi.
Bawal na nila na malapit.
Oh.
Hindi naman, pero
Diba sa
maliit
Manila?
lang kasi space doon sa Duterte Street. Wala talagang space.
Oh,
Maliit
oh,
lang
parang
siya. Parang
kalye
siya
lang, parang alley.
alley lang talaga siya.
Oh, okay.
Mas malawak pa to, no?
Pero yung unang
Oo.
event na pinag-aanohan nila nun sa tapat ng ICC, diba noon?
O yung sa
Pinayagan
park
sila.
lang. Pero
Oo,
yung
sa harap ng
nanonaatan
ICC.
nila yun.
Yeah, meron namang space, may space doon sa ICC talaga. Pero kung saan talaga ang Duterte Street at saka yung Duterte Park na tinatawag na ang liit. Para lang siya talagang
Parang
daanan lang
ng
talaga
bike,
ng mga
parang
tao.
ganun or tao.
Oo, so hindi siya pwede maka-accommodate ng maraming tao, right? So, kaya doon sila sa Laan Van Regan. So, apparently, that is the park where Ronald Reagan and the Prime Minister signed something. That's why it was named
Named after
after
them.
Reagan.
Yeah.
Laan
Oh.
Van is like a Dutch for avenue. So, that's my limited main central station ng The Hague Central Station. Sa labas lang no, nandoon. Pero siya malaki siya na park.
So,
doon.
it's easier access kasi nandun na yung ano, 'di ba? Yung
Oo.
mga transit
Nandun ang
and
mga
the
maraming
trains.
tao,
and
which is a
everything.
really good place. Nandun ang mga tao. So the first event was more of gathering. Then the second event was more of the exhibit of the Turkish accomplishments.
What do you mean by second event? Is
Dalawang
it a
araw
one
yun
day?
eh.
Oh, so
Dalawang
2
araw yun.
days.
22
Yeah.
and 23.
Okay.
Yung 22 is more of like gathering lang, yung mga kwento-kwentuhan, mga ganon. Then the second day, meron na talagang stage. Na pinagawan talaga ng stage.
Oh, yun na yung merong program.
Oo,
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
program. Tapos meron na yung mga exhibits.
And then doon, like, any Duterte family na nandun?
Yeah, sa first day, nandun si Elizabeth, Madam Elizabeth Duterte, at saka si Isabel Duterte.
Oh, yung the granddaughter,
Yeah.
yeah. I think siya yung first, the eldest na, right, na granddaughter. Yeah, I know.
Magandang bata.
Maganda siya, right?
Yeah.
Kasi yung ano nila, yung blend ng
Eh, German, half German si
German and then
Si
Filipino,
Lola.
ano, diba? Yeah. Kaya
Yeah.
maganda yung...
May nakausap kang Dutch na tinanong ka tungkol sa
Oo.
event, tsaka
No.
kung anong alam nila tungkol
What
kay
is happening?
Duterte.
Kind of like what
O
happening,
anong
gano'n.
comment nila, anong reaction nila.
Mm-mm. Nung first ko talagang dinala ako sa ICC ng bus. Kasi doon ako nagpunta sa ICC, right? So pinicturean ko yung yung sign, or what is that, the big sign for that this is the ICC. Habang pinicturean ko, may mga Dutch bikers na nandun, na curious siya. So tinanong niya, why are you taking picture of the ICC sign? So yun, sinabi ko na I'm here to fight for our president. So na-curious lang, okay, yeah, we saw a lot of Filipinos coming here every day. So what is it all about? So tinanong ko, have you heard about Duterte? So they don't know anything about it. So yun, i-explain ko, sabi ko na Duterte is that we feel that this is the only president who really cared for Filipinos, who really fought for the welfare of Filipinos, who
Common
really,
masses.
yeah,
So sila
all
yung
everything.
nakaditin siya doon.
Yeah, and he is here illegally detained in ICC. Philippines is no longer a member of ICC, and yet they were able to bring him here. So we consider this as a kidnapping. This is really, it really goes against the human rights of Duterte, and so we are here fighting for it. We really want to call the attention of the people all over the world that somebody, a leader from the republic, an independent country, is being detained here in ICC illegally. So yun, oh really? So nalaman nila. And so
That's
yeah, marami pa rin talagang alam, kahit nga during the exhibit, maraming mga foreigners na napupunta doon, and it's really nice how that exhibit is, because it gives the chance of the foreigners or other nationalities to read about Duterte. What was the accomplishment, achievement of Duterte? Kasi wala talaga silang alam. Hindi na masyadong, siguro mga political people who didn't really read through politics, so wala silang masyadong alam kay Duterte. So it's a good yung exhibit. Unfortunately, the exhibit was supposed to stand until October, but apparently after the event, somebody called the city and complained about it. Yeah, so
Ano yan siguro yung anti-Duterte?
Sa tingin mo,
yes, I
sino
think
na...
so. I think it's the anti-Duterte. So,
Give them
yeah.
the wrong idea.
I know it's not easy, kasi tumulong ako sa pag-put up ng exhibit na yun. Napakahirap.
Look, I think because it's malalaki siya, di ba, ng mga
Malaki siya, and there's a
tarpaulins.
certain way you have to screw
Yeah.
it.
Oo.
Tapos yung hole sometimes hindi magkasya.
Mm.
So, oh my God, it took us a long time. I don't know kung
Throw it away?
no,
Hindi,
probably not.
tinatabi yun.
Yeah, tinatabi yan. Yeah,
So they can use it for the next event.
Yeah. But yeah, matrabaho masyado, but it would have been nice kung continue siya nag-stand till for a longer period of time, kasi it's a very good place, kasi daanan siya, maraming dumadaan ng mga tao. So nang ibabasa.
So now that you are back here, is there a daily kababayan they go there, you know?
I think so.
Every day?
Like, especially sa Duterte streets,
Yeah.
merong nagpupunta talaga ng mga Filipinos. Yeah, kasi kaya nga si
That's good.
Duterte
That's good to
every
know.
time na may mga family na
Yeah.
pumupunta, palaging nagtatanong na mayroon para bang mga Filipinos diyan. Tapos sinasabi na
Kasi
yes,
sigurado
nandiyan talaga.
maraming hindi pa rin nakakaalam ng mga kababayan natin dahil sa nangyayari, lalo na yung mga distant places.
Yeah.
And also, I heard, parang may mga bali-balita sa news na nandun din si Trillanes.
Trillanes.
Ay, naku,
Yeah.
yun
And
ang,
attorney,
baka yun ang cause ng
Conti.
natumba si
Yeah.
tatay
So,
dahil,
anything na balita doon when you were there?
that's right.
Yeah, so I think he attended a seminar, ICC seminar. I think makalat naman yung picture, di ba, na nandun siya. Apparently, nung nakausap ko si Attorney Trixie, apparently nandun si Trillanes, dinala niya si Garma Rose, Liliana Garma. Yung si Liliana Garma.
Oh, okay.
And tsaka, ang sabi ni Attorney Trixie is because di ba lumabas din yung mga kaso that they filed? Apparently, the 3 cases are very weak.
Yeah.
So, nandun si Trillanes de la Ceruen Garma to be one of the witnesses.
Witnesses.
You know. Pero it's still very weak. Napakahina pa rin na claim because ang claim ni Garma is mistress daw siya ni Duterte. You know, so that's just
Drama.
yeah, and you know,
Drama queen.
it's hard to believe because si Duterte has a really good
Yeah,
taste.
kasi Duterte magaganda.
Magaganda.
Hindi pa pati siya
Exactly,
pangit. Wala naman siya
so-
naging ano na pangit. Saka parang gusto ni PRRD Mestiza.
Mestiza, di ba? Tingnan mo naman
Tsaka
si
mga makikinis.
si Madam Elizabeth.
Yeah.
Ang ganda ni Madam
Maganda.
Elizabeth in person. Yeah.
Eh, kasi
Have you seen Kitty?
Parang si Isabel.
Wala siya
ano,
doon.
si...
Oh.
Si Isabel is really beautiful.
Lola.
Yeah, Isabel is
Kamukha nung
nung
lola
nakita
niya.
ko siya sa ano, ang ganda-ganda niya.
I know, ang ganda niya in person.
Yeah,
Kaya nga,
maganda. Parang siya yung may mukha ni ni lola niya.
Yeah,
Parang
kamukha
siya
sila.
sila, parang nung kabataan
Si
nung
Pulong,
lola niya,
Oo.
'di ba?
Ay,
Yeah.
by the way, Chrisette was also there. Chrisette
Oh,
was
yeah,
so nice
Chrisette,
to
yeah.
meet Chrisette.
Yeah, like your sisters.
Yes,
Parang sa
yeah,
mukha
meron
parang
kami-
kayong hawig.
Di ba meron kami
Alright.
picture ni Chrisette,
Yeah.
ako ang Jazz.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Parang Vancouver version
Yeah.
ni Chrisette,
Ni Chrisette,
right?
yeah, mga jawlines namin.
Kaya,
Yeah, so
So yeah, that was the reason of Trillanes na nandun siya. And maybe
Ay,
other
ano,
missions.
Nakakakulunan.
Very well
tao.
I
paid
know,
yung tao yun.
nakakabwis.
Bayad na bayad yun.
Parang marinig ko pa lang yung pangalan nun.
I know.
Ano.
Nakita mo yung yung
Sana ako
picture
pumunta
niya
dito
sa
yun
ano?
para mabato natin
Sa-
ang kabatis.
Sa
Itlog na
penitentiary.
lang.
Sa detention center. Nakita niyo yung pag-picture ni Trillanes na nakatayo sa...
yeah, I saw that. I saw that.
Kumukulong
Yeah.
buko-buko.
I know.
Nandun
At saka
sa
meron din
Facebook.
siyang
Yung
mga
ano pa lang,
followers
yung
din.
weird
They have like,
I know.
meron din silang mga placards
Yeah.
na
Pinayaro naman yun.
Ano,
Nagrally sila doon.
with
Sino ba
Trillanes.
nagpa-follow kay Trillanes?
I
Hindi
know.
nga manalo-nalo, mayor nga lang.
Nagrally
nanalo.
sila doon.
Nagrarally sila doon. They have, I
Harap ng
saw that.
ICC.
Oo nga, pero,
Yeah.
pero
Pero
ano
pera
yun,
yan
hindi, kung si Trillanes lang nila ipa-follow nila, I don't think so.
I know.
Laki ang
Yeah.
ginaya ng mga yan.
So, meron din grupo si Attorney Harry doon.
Yeah, about Attorney
Yeah.
Harry Roque.
Ay.
What is going
Ay,
on?
ayoko na
Parang,
doon kay Attorney Harry. Dati pina-follow ko yun, in-unfollow ko.
Yeah, it's unfortunate na tayo sana mga Duterte supporters, we should be one,
Yeah.
united. So, parang na-divide ng mga Duterte supporters kasi meron siyang faction ni Attorney Harry na meron din siyang sariling event na meron
Yeah.
siyang pakain, meron silang parade.
yeah.
Tapos dito naman sa kina Jazz, iba din. Parang nahati. So I really don't know what is going on there. Why may
So they have their own agenda.
I saw Giselle like
Yeah.
talking about unity kasi
Mhm.
parang
that was during the second day event.
that's the second day, yeah, yung parang inano niya na sana mag ano na lang dali isa naman
Yeah,
yung
isa
ano
naman.
right, so and I also saw the video of Harry Roque telling them that like parang ano ata si Giselle nag public apology. And then but then parang nandun din yung if I'm not mistaken, right, parang inano din doon ni Roque na accepted yung apology pero parang mahirap ng pag-isahin, something like that. So
Yeah.
it's so
And
sad,
I wonder
right?
Bakit
Parang
hindi pwede?
it's so
Sa mga personal
parang-
May personal,
grudges.
may personal agenda.
Pwede,
Yung issues
dapat
nila.
iset aside na yung mga personal differences,
yung hate
diba?
naman hindi naman para sa kanila. Para
Exactly,
kay
it's for
PRRD.
PRRD. It's for the cause, diba? Bakit? Bakit meron pa mga faction na ganyan? Hindi pa pwedeng
Dapat
magrespetuhan
hindi
na,
naisali yung mga
magrespetuhan na lang. And they
yeah,
support
diba?
each other.
And it doesn't really matter how many groups
Yeah.
you
Yeah,
are,
it
like
doesn't
even
matter.
small groups, and then if you come together with isang ano lang adhikain or
Yeah.
like kung ano man yung pinaglalaban nyo, you come together. It doesn't have to be one group. It
Mhm.
it
Kasi
doesn't
ang
matter.
hirap-
Like
ang hirap pagka yung isang malaking group lang.
Yeah.
Eh, paano kung yung iba hindi makapunta dun sa
That's right.
sa group na
Yeah.
yun. So,
Yeah.
kung meron kayong sariling community na maliit
Community,
lang,
and then
pag
you-
big event,
You go
you get
together,
together.
diba? Sana maganda yung gano'n, like supporting each other,
Pag
hindi yung
nag-invite siya ng event, o lahat kayo pupunta.
yeah, so parang hindi yung
Kasi-
mag-away-away.
Exclusive na membership.
Yeah.
Exactly.
At saka yung mga awayan kasi na ganyan, it's not it's beyond like outside na doon sa ano yung main ano eh, 'di ba?
Main
Parang
objective.
main
na,
objective,
diba?
parang ang layo na. So parang pinag-uusapan na it's no longer yung main objective about supporting Duterte. Parang yung ano na minsan yung ano na yung awayan na eh, right?
Kasi
And then
yung
yung
iba nagiging selfish naman sila kasi gusto nila
Or
eh,
cultural. Kasi ano tayo? Hindi-
Clannish, or-
Oo, may ano, regional tayo kasi. Diba, Ilocano kami. Diba,
Yeah.
dito sa Vancouver, ilan ang flag racing? Meron sa Richmond, meron sa
Yeah.
Surrey,
Meron ba?
meron sa downtown,
Yeah, that's right.
meron sa North
Flag racing?
Vancouver.
yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pagka-Philippine Independence,
Yeah.
really?
wala namang isa. Kaya
Yeah.
wala tayong Filipino town. Tama ang Korean town tong Lougheed area eh. May Korean town.
Yeah.
Oo.
Merong Chinatown.
Yeah.
Wala Filipino town kasi wala eh. Lahat gusto kanya-kanya.
Yeah.
Lahat may leader.
Talagang halata na hindi ako active sa
Eh,
mga
hindi
Filipino.
ka,
Oo, yeah, that's right. Totoo yan. And I think it's depende rin kasi minsan sa venue din. Kung saan yung ano, kasi syempre yung availability rin ng mga
Yeah.
Filipinos like
So far,
you
yung
know.
pinaka-successful natin dito yung sa art gallery na may malaking rally.
Yeah, yung Duterte.
Yung unang-una yung
Yeah.
unang kuha doon
Padala
sa
kay
yeah. And shout out pala sa mga organizers na nag-organize doon sa first
Yung malaking
na
event ng ano.
art sa may
downtown.
art gallery,
Yeah.
yung ano yun, yung Cry for Duterte when he was
di ba nagsalita
quote
ka
and
doon?
unquote
Ay,
kidnapped
Yung sa
daw
galeri
na
Oh,
ano
that's
nila.
the second one.
Oh, second
Yeah.
Yung first one,
Yeah.
the really
Oh.
Yung
big
first
rally.
one. Yeah.
Yeah, that was really unfortunate. Even though yung event na nila jazz, malaki ang crowd, pero kung siguro na unite yung crowd ni Harry
Nina.
Roque, mas malaki.
Mas malaki.
Like yung una din, yung unang event din nila sa The Hague before, right?
Yung unang-una.
Yung unang-una,
Doon pa
like
sila
di ba
talaga sa
ang
ICC.
dami, yung as in super, ang dami-dami nila talaga. Yung unang-unang event, like yung earliest days na dinala doon si Duterte, di ba? Like yung, but ngayon parang ano na, like,
May mga faction.
it's so sad, no?
Yeah.
Yung,
But it was really good na yung mga speeches I think I upload ni Tio Moreno. Very emotional si Tio Moreno.
may mga nag-iiyakan din ba
I
ng
know,
mga
yeah,
ano
yeah.
Filipinos?
Marami. May mga prayers, right? They did some
Mm-hmm.
prayers na you can really feel yung mga you're teary-eyed talaga. Naiiyak talaga ang mga tao na habang
Mas
nagdarasal.
lalo nga
And
eh.
even
Kasi
during
ano,
the event to mga speeches na talagang very emotional na minsan nagsasalita si Tio, tumalikod na siya kasi he cannot hold in his tears na talagang naiiyak. Kasi marami talagang mga tao na are really moved of Duterte's leadership and who really believe that this guy doesn't deserve to be punished like this.
Tayo nga,
To be
hindi ako.
detained.
Taga Maynila ako.
Mm-hmm.
Hindi ko naman kilala si Duterte. Yung buong entire yung niya, presidency niya sa
Yeah.
2016-2022. Hindi naman ako, wala naman ako sa Pilipinas, pero ramdam mo yung pagbabago sa
Yeah,
Vancouver
yeah.
as
And
Filipino.
And your pride as a Filipino
Parang
during
kami,
that time,
parang kami
right?
tatay na,
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
pag may nangyari sa akin, alam ko may sasalo sa akin.
Mm-hmm.
Hindi kagaya dati, kanya-kanya tayo, kanya-kanya
Yeah,
tayo hanap
walang-
ng solusyon
wala
sa
nang
problema
ano,
natin dito.
Yeah.
Katulad mo yun.
Yeah.
Diba?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's
getting
really
worse.
nice to hear, Filipinos from different parts of the world na napupunta doon, expressing why they are there, spending their own money, personal money. It's not easy, You have to take time off work. Then, pamasahe mo pa, hotel, your food.
O
It's
magkano
not
yung,
cheap.
magkano yung flight mo?
Yeah, the flight was 1,200.
Just the flight
Yeah.
alone,
Flight alone.
excluding the
Yeah, from Vancouver.
excluding the hotel and
The
then
food is like
food
1,000
and
something.
everything.
Food
Yeah.
and it's in euro, really.
Yeah,
So it's
yeah.
not It's not cheap.
Transportation, accommodation,
Yes.
food mo
Yeah,
for
that's
how many
right.
days that you're
Yeah.
there.
It's really a
And
sacrifice.
you're
kind of.
spending out of your own pockets.
Exactly.
Diba? So,
Yeah.
doon mo malalaman na ganito kamahal ng mga Pilipino sa PRR.
Exactly.
And also yung so sad ngayon yung nababalitaan natin na nangyari kay Duterte, like he's undergoing
Ay, naku, nakakagalit
yung
yun.
sa fall
Nakakagalit.
niya.
Yeah.
So wala pang medical 'di ba? Kung ano yung nangyari sa
Test.
kanya yung
Yeah.
I mean he's still undergoing some
Yeah.
test.
Kasi nahulog daw siya, tapos parang nahit ang kanya ulo.
Yeah.
So that's why they have to do this test.
Yeah, yung MRI
Yung tungkod
and
niya,
everything.
hindi na-
Parang pag wala daw siyang tungkod, natutumba daw talaga siya.
Kasi balancing na yung
Oo.
problema mo sa balancing.
Or
Tapos
is
nawalan
it-
siya ng malay. So
Yeah,
that is
so,
very alarming.
yeah,
For how long
alarming.
he was down there.
Yeah.
Everybody knows. So
Baka
long-
nagkaroon siya ng linear fracture sa may skull niya or whatever. We
Yeah.
do not know yet, right? Wala pang
Yeah.
medical diagnostic na
That is so
lumabas.
concerning.
Ngayon
It's
sa
concern
panahon
na
ni
ganun.
At may mga sabi-sabi pa na during that time
Feel
was
yung-
nandun din sila Trillanes,
I
right?
know, na
So,
merong
are they one of those
wellness
from the Philippine embassy that went inside to
Yeah, yung
check
meron po
Duterte?
si Paulo Duterte, di ba? Na si Trillanes ang kinausap, ang pinadala ng government to check on
I
Duterte.
believe that.
So,
Guys
kung siya ang
will
pinapunta doon, like hello.
Ay, Lord.
Yeah.
Kunin niyo na po yung mga taong to.
It's so alarming na
Who is the
talaga.
money? That's why he goes
Kunin niyo
there.
na.
He
Wala,
is
wala
well
nang
paid,
ginawang
man.
maganda sa Pilipinas kundi manggulo.
I know, nakaka-alarma na
Nakukumayat.
talaga sa Pilipinas. Parang wala nang wala nang
Tingnan mo
law.
yung tourism natin
Parang
is a failure.
sineset aside na nila ang konstitusyon, ang mga kasi mga lawmakers na nagsasabing they're bending the law.
Yung
So
mga law benders.
parang-
Yan,
si
si
Tulfo.
Soto,
Parang-
si Bing Lacson,
I know.
si Tulfo, si Erich. Di ba? Kaya nga yan na-acquire yung
Yeah.
citizenship niya, illegal din.
ko ang galit ko dun.
Yeah, 'di ba? Yung parang it's nakakasad sa mga parang katulad nating mga common people
Meron ba tayong
na
mga taga-ibang bansa
nakikinig na lang tayo because they cannot do they think they cannot do anything na yung boses nila pero hindi nila alam yung boses nila napakalaking bagay sana yon
Yeah.
na iparating nila kung ano yung
nangingibabaw ngayon sa
Kita mo
atin
naman
yung
na.
takot.
Wala lahat ng
Hindi sila
ng official
makapag-voice
natin,
out.
majority.
pero salute pa rin ako yung nangyayari ngayon sa Senate hearing yung may panukalan na inano sila Senator Bongo and
yung isang
si
Marine.
Bato
Tama ako dun.
and then sila
Butisa?
yung sa minority na meron silang pinapasang panukala with regard to the interim release ni Duterte. So I think, I hope bibigyan nila ng halaga yun at mapag-usapan din sa Senado.
Yeah.
So yun. I
Ayun
think
din
yun yung
pala, Gusto
latest.
kong i-clarify kasi may fake news, di ba, na lumabas na yung approve na ang interim release. Tapos kinuha yung video ni Chrisette at saka ni Alvin na nagsi-celebrate. So, yeah, hindi yun ibig sabihin na na-approve na ang interim release. Yung celebration ni Chrisette at saka ni Alvin, yun dahil yung
Malaking
statement ni Kaufman, lawyer ni Duterte, na hindi daw nag-object ang government of the Philippines
yeah.
sa condition kasi it's the process daw before itong interim release, before nila pagdesisyonan ang interim release,
Isa
kailangan may
sa
mga
mga
conditions na
condition.
kailangan walang contest, hindi mag-contest ang government of the Philippines.
Yeah.
So hindi daw nag-contest ang government of the Philippines. Yun ang ano. So ang ibig sabihin niyan is they can proceed on making their decision.
Yeah.
So it seems to be
Hopefully.
pretty soon.
Yeah.
Tsaka parang
Sana.
diba
happening
delayed
soon.
yung paglabas yung decision. So, ibig sabihin, baka soon na, malapit
Yeah,
na.
hopefully,
Kasi ang tagal
yeah.
na bago
Yeah.
Oo, kasi
na-release
parang
to
July 2 pa na-submit. So
Oo.
ilang ano na,
Oo.
Yeah.
ilang weeks
September na,
yeah,
months
September.
na. Oo.
So it should be coming out soon. So yan ang we will cross our fingers now. Yeah.
Okay.
So yeah, so
productive.
So,
I'm back to
Yeah,
Vancouver.
happy you're
Yeah.
back safe.
Yeah, and I have lots of, I would just like to thank the group of jazz, Alvin, Tio, Paolo, Tony Trixie, those group, they are really wonderful people. Present. Meron silang mga giveaways na dala ko dito.
yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, meron kami. I have the payong. Meron akong payong.
So,
Yeah.
that was really nice. And all these giveaways are free. There was food there for free. So, you know,
Yeah.
it's at the book. Unfortunately, I didn't win the book. I was really
Praying for that.
Ano ba yung naman ako
Yeah, let's get
Yeah.
Gusto mo
one.
PRRD book?
Yes.
Yeah, I like
salamat,
it.
PRD.
Gusto ko din yun.
Pa-order
Yeah,
ako,
wala
ha?
ako.
Yeah.
Pa-order din ako.
Kasi,
I
ang dami nilang dalang libro. Gusto nila sanang mamigay ng marami kaso lang mabigat dalhin. Kaya ang daming dinadraw nila. Talagang hindi natawag ang aking name.
That's okay.
Hindi talaga natawag ang aking name. Meron din palang binigay, pinapanalunan ko na I'm not going to give it kasi I'm going
Yeah,
to
that's
keep
yours.
it.
Yeah, that's yours. Yeah.
But I'm going to show it off. Kaya
Oh yeah,
dinala
show
ko.
off mo na lang. Sa ano natin para makita.
Duterte.
Oh, like sanitizer?
No,
What's
parang
that?
pang massage
Pang
ni Duterte.
pang pain.
Yung lana niya, yung parang oil,
Oh,
massage oil, ito daw ang
wow.
ginagamit. So,
Oh,
kung mangamoy ako nito, ganito ang amoy daw ni Duterte. So,
oh, wow, you're so
Oo,
lucky.
sige, ibuksan natin. So, I'm not going to give this away.
No, no, it's yours.
Kasi ito talaga ang nakalununan ko sa of all the raffle draw. Ilang beses may raffle draw. Ito. Mabango siya.
Minty,
Parang
minty.
parang sage. Oo, may mint.
Oh.
Parang ka nasa spa.
Oh, yung bango.
Ang bango nga, yan ang
Pahingi ako ng
Duterte.
konti.
Sige.
Pwedeng
No, just
Ito,
one
sample.
drop.
Ano pa yata sa
Just
loob?
one drop.
Oh,
Oo,
i-try mo
may
din.
Wow.
Ito daw ang
It's nice. I wanted to put it on my,
si
Hindi ko man makita si PRRD.
Oh, at least meron tayong
Oo,
maamoy natin
maamoy
siya,
mo,
di ba?
oo,
Ganyan, oo.
Amoy, mint nga.
Oo.
So, magre-wrap up na tayo.
Sige.
Ang prayer ko lang naman for
Yeah.
me is sana okay, maging okay si PRRD. And then, yun ang prayers ko for now. Sana makabalik na siya sa Pilipinas at sana ano na rin yung interim release niya. So,
Yes.
that's my ma-finalize na and then he can't makapunta na siya sa place wherein he could move freely. So yun ang prayers ko for now is for him.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
what about you,
Yeah.
Ate Eddie?
Ang panalangin ko lang ngayon dahil nasaktan yata si tatay sa pagkatumba niya, that the healthcare people would really take care of him. Please. I beg you
Amen.
guys.
Yeah.
I would also like to call the Philippines, especially in the Philippines, na kung may mga rally, to come out, really come out.
Yeah.
You know, like it's good to be, online warrior, but this time we really need to go out. We really need to go out kung may mga calls na ganyan. Kasi enough is enough. Kailangan na natin talagang pailisin ito si Marcos. And the only way to do that if there's
Yeah.
like bodies
People's
The
power.
next 3 years
to
is
go
way
out
too long
and
to wait.
really stand up and
Parang
voice
hindi ko
out.
The people's
diba?
voice, yeah.
So kung the next rallies, please Filipinos, please go.
Yes.
Be counted. Participate in all the rallies.
I'm
And
thankful for giving us PRRD.
Yes.
Ngayon lang ako sa time ng buhay ko, ngayon lang ako nakaranas ng totoong presidente na talagang nagmahal sa mga Pilipino. Yeah, and
Yeah.
yung mga Pilipino, kahit kalimutan nyo na ang pagsama nyo sa rally ay para kay Duterte o para sa bayan, isipin nyo na lang yung mga anak nyo. Pag nakikita nyo yung mga anak nyo isipin nyo, ganito ba ang kinabukasan na iiwan ko sa mga anak ko? Mahirap ako, sila ba? Kailangan ganito rin kahirap ang buhay nila. Meron mo tayong magagawa. Meron tayong magagawa, pwede nating baguhin yung kalagayan ng bansa natin. Basta kailangan ng sacrifice. Hindi
Yes.
madali, pero hindi imposible.
Mhm.
So kung talagang gusto natin, kaya nating gawin.
Yes.
Yes.